Taiwan's president has left for the United States on a trip that has angered Beijing. Ms. Tsai will stop over in the States en route to the Caribbean. And speaking to the media just before leaving, she said Taiwan faces threats from what she called overseas forces.
台湾会坚定地守护民主制度，我们的民主得来不易，现在更面临境外势力的威胁与渗透，这些挑战也是全世界民主国家共同面临的挑战。我们会和理念相近的国家相互的合作，一起确保民主制度的稳固。
But the trip has already sparked anger before it even started. Now, China is angry that the United States is allowing Ms. Tsai to transit. From there, she will head to Haiti, St. Kitts and Nevis, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, St. Lucia, and then back to the U.S. for another 2 days before returning to Taiwan. This is President Tsai's first visit to the U.S. since she launched her re-election bid last month ahead of polls in January. Taiwan's presidential office says it expects the U.S. to extend the usual high courtesy to Ms. Tsai. The U.S. State Department believes facilitating the stopovers is consistent with the One China policy. But China disagrees.
中方一贯坚决反对美台之间的官方往来，这一立场是坚定的、明确的。 我们敦促美方恪守一个中国原则和中美3个联合公报的规定，不允许蔡英文过境，慎重妥善地处理涉台问题，以免损害中美关系和台海的和平稳定。
Ms. Tsai's visit is widely seen as a bid to shore up the dwindling number of diplomatic allies, and there are just 17 left, almost all small nations in Central America and the Pacific. Since Ms. Tsai Ing-wen came to power in 2016, ties with Beijing worsened. 5 nations have switched their allegiance to China. And the most recent was El Salvador. It cited investment and economic development as reasons for pivoting to China.